Okay, let me introduce how to use SECG 5.0 to measure a low amplitude AC signal here. So you can see I set up the sine wave 5 Hz and the 0.1 millivolt, that's 100 microvolt. Okay, so this is a very low amplitude signal. And then I go through the RA to generate the signal. So I play the signal, and you will see the RA and the LA output to two probes here. These two probes connect to the Tektronix ADA 400A preamplifier. So these two differential signal, and we amplify 100 times, and then the bandwidth is 100 Hz, and the output signal connect to an oscilloscope. So the oscilloscope, you can see this is sine wave, is very clear here. Okay, and the amplitude is 102 microvolt. Okay, it's the same as the output signal. So use this way, you can very clear to see the low amplitude output AC signal. And then I adjust the amplitude to 0.25 millivolt, that's 250 microvolt. Okay, and the same, I play it. When I play the output, you can see here. Okay, I zoom the amplitude to the scale, and then you can see it's the same clear sine wave, but the amplitude is 250 microvolt. Okay, so change the amplitude, and then I can acquire long time signal here. So I set up 20 seconds for the total, 2 seconds per division, so total is 20 seconds. So you can see the amplitude is still stable here. Alright, so and for 20 second signal here, you can see it's about 250 microvolt. It's a quite stable signal here. So use this way, use the preamplifier and the oscilloscope. You can check the output, the SECG 5.0 amplitude AC signal output.